Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check devices logged on into your email. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you gotta do is simply access your particular Gmail app on your phone. Once you have opened, make sure you're logged in with the correct account as well. Now right over here, go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top right, tap on this manage your Google account, and now simply scroll and tap on this option of data and privacy. Now you have to scroll till you find this particular one option called your devices in the other relevant options. Tap on it, and here you will be able to check out the sessions. You can see 2 sessions on this particular phone and the Windows sessions, including the phone that we have. So right over, all you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on that particular device and tap on sign out, and we have done so, and you can gonna do that to others as well. And once you have done signing out, you can go back and choose to simply continue using it. You can do that to any devices that you would like, and you're good to go. So that is the process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.